Most consonant blends can only be found at the beginning of a word, but this one can also be found in the middle and the end. This is TH. Th. Say it with me. Th. You can find this sound in words like thank, python, and moth. The consonant blend of PH, which also sounds like the letter F. What you do is you place the bottom lip just under the top row of teeth. Say it with me. You can find this sound in words like physics at the beginning of a word, dolphin, which is at the middle of a word, and graph, which is at the end of a word. Did you like our video? Write in the comments section below and catch us next time on Phonics Bites.
Clap along if you feel like a